To replace the watch band of your Garmin Venu, take it on the other side and you will find this little pin. So you have to push it into that direction, just like that, and well, it goes away. If you want to replace it, I will leave you a link in the description to order it, but just make sure that you order a quick release and you see that little number, that's the size of your watch band. So make sure you order the very same size of the one that is written on your watch. Now, when you want to put back your watch band in place or your new watch band, you align the pin with the hole, and then it's the same principle. You press on the pin and you put it back in place, just like that. So you now know how to replace your watch band.